This headset has one of the best features I have ever come across. But unfortunately for you, it's discontinued. Today I'm going to explain why this is my favorite headset and the reasoning behind it. Yo, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is CodyYouKnowMe. So we're going to be talking about this headset and why it's my favorite headset. And instead of just showing you the ones I have on my head, let's take you to the other setup and unbox a brand new pair. So the headset is called the SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth headset. Of course, it comes with its own cables, you know, a micro USB to USB, the proprietary cable to an aux, and then the female RCA to a one side mic, one side headset. You know, even if this headset is kind of old now and discontinued, you can't get it now, I still really like the design. It's a really simple and clean look, very aesthetically pleasing. I like it. So the reason why I love this headset so much is the dual audio feature, which enables me to use Bluetooth and auxiliary at the same time. So it's like the perfect thing for streaming. And then if something's too loud on one side, I use the little knob on the side to turn it up or down. So yeah, the reason why I really love this headset is the dual audio feature. I'm able to use Bluetooth and auxiliary at the exact same time. It's really helpful for when I'm streaming because then I can hear all my alerts, my game, my music, all that different stuff. And then, you know, I could turn it up or turn it down depending on what's louder or what's quieter. But yeah, the only crappy thing is this headset is now discontinued. They do not sell this headset no more. So, if you know what headset the SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth got replaced with, like, you know, be it the 4 or the 5 or the 6 or the 7 or the 8 or the 9 or the Pros or whatever, the new Novas, please let me know in the comments down below because I would really like to know. And yeah, your feedback is greatly appreciated because, you know, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. So yeah, that concludes our unboxing and our review on the SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth headset. My favorite headset in the whole world. They don't even sell it no more. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. My name is CodyYouKnowMe, and I hope you guys have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Peace.